Prepare for adventure on a week-long trip to the frozen lands of Northrend. You'll depart Stormwind City on the Kraken and travel across the ocean to Valiant's Keep in Borean Tundra. On arrival, you'll check in at the Valiant Rest Inn and enjoy a dinner of mighty rhino dogs, made from the delicious meat of Borean rhinos. Valiant's Keep has a small shopping district, and you can buy souvenirs or travel essentials only a short walk from our hotel. The highlight of your time in Borean Tundra is a visit to Amber Ledge, a mage tower with an excellent view of the landscape. After taking in the majestic views, you'll take a short trip to the Tuskar village of Unupe. The Tuskar are friendly walrus people, and you're going to take a ride on their giant turtle all the way across the southern coast of Northrend to your next stop. Your trip on the Half-Shell takes us past Valiant's Keep again, and offers spectacular views of Dragonflight, Venture Bay, and the rocky coastline of Howling Fjord. Your turtle ride ends in Kamagwa, which is only a short flight from Westguard Keep, your home in Howling Fjord. After a well-deserved rest in the Westguard Inn, you'll have the opportunity to sample a delicious fish feast. Howling Fjord is known for its breathtaking cliffs and natural beauty, and we're going to make a 3-stop tour of the land before departing. Our first stop is the harbor of Valgard, an important port located at the foot of the imposing Utgard Keep. From Valgard, you'll fly to the Explorers League outpost, high above the eastern coastline. Finally, you'll put your cold weather clothes on and travel to the snowy Fort Wildervar in the north. After seeing the sights of Howling Fjord, it's time for a change of pace, and we're going to fly to the floating city of Dalaran. Dalaran is the beating heart of all expeditions to Northrend. Here you will find a huge variety of things to do, places to see, foods to eat, and shops to visit. You'll be staying in the Silver Enclave district in a deluxe room at A Hero's Welcome. Enjoy a delicious bowl of Dalaran clam chowder, then you'll be given a map of the city and head out to explore on your own. After an exciting few days in Dalaran, you'll return to Stormwind the way you came. Flight Master Aludane Whitecloud will help you take a direct flight back to Valiant's Keep. From there, you'll once again board the Kraken and sail back to Stormwind Harbor.